Where is my train? The railway app the Desi passenger swears by what is the greatest invention of mankind, a user asked on social media platform X. A fellow user promptly responded to the viral post by sharing a screenshot of Google's Where is my train app. With over 100 million downloads on Google Play, the app frequently appears in public forums and discussions where users explore top utility apps for the best user experience. But why? The short answer is the app works and is pretty good at it. Nanan developed by Sigmoid Labs, the Where is my train app provides users with live updates on train statuses and schedules. Launched by the Bengaluru-based startup, it received the Google stamp through the tech giant's acquisition of Sigmoid Labs in 2018, a milestone the startup celebrated enthusiastically on its website. We're excited to share that Sigmoid Labs, the team behind the Where is my train app, is joining Google. We can think of no better place to help us achieve our mission, and we're excited to join Google to help bring technology and information into more people's hands. Nanan raving about the app, Amal Prasanese wrote the following review: one of the best train apps out there, simple, accurate, and completely ad-free. No distractions, no spam, just the information you need. It shows real-time train location, platform info, and offline support, all in a clean layout. Truly refreshing to use, an app that focuses on function over clutter. A must-have for anyone who travels by train. Prashant Kashyap, a user, praised the app's offline feature for tracking trains without an internet connection, leaving a glowing review. This app is incredibly useful for anyone traveling by train in India. The real-time train tracking is impressively accurate, even without an internet connection, which makes it perfect for remote areas. I love how simple and intuitive the interface is, and the ability to check schedules, PNR status, and seat availability all in one place is a huge plus. Highly recommended for all train travelers. Also read no road rage, report instead how Indian motorists are safeguarding themselves on roads. Although nearly 48 lakh users have rated the app, a review from a couple of years ago highlighted that it is not without its flaws. The latest update gives a bit better experience but also brings an issue. When I search for running status of some trains, it gives me wrong information about its real-time status, and while traveling if I set on train then it doesn't allow to scroll down to look for other stations. I think development team needs to review the update. Thank you. Signani's no. Indian Railways, one of the world's largest railway networks, operates the National Train Inquiry System (NTES) website and app, which offers functions similar to its counterparts, including tracking train statuses, passenger details, and real-time updates on train operations. Nanan, although Where is my train is the more popular choice, users of the app have expressed disappointment over its reported absence from the iOS ecosystem. WIMT is by far way better than NTES for live tracking, NTES updates. Quite randomly, a Reddit user on our Indian Railways wrote. Giving a more detailed response, a second user listed the pros and cons of both apps. For straight live tracking, WIMT wins. However, it can hallucinate in many cases. Since it depends on crowd data, it relies on good GPS signal to work properly. If the route has poor signal, it can get messy. Swipe left for next video calling. NTES more reliable, the user continued. NTES is more reliable in my experience, especially for UR-PAX trains, as it is reported by station staff and is unlikely to have someone using WIMT. It runs on a 5 minutes delay, but train information is second to none. It shows cancellations, rerouting, and reschedulings as it is updated by IR directly. Most trains also have coach positions loaded. Only thing is it's very optimistic on trains catching up to delays, as though it thinks trains can do line speed into junctions. Latest blogs.